Hi guys, how you all doing? I bring you all greetings. Happy weekend. Christmas is already at the door, right? So guys, we are here to discuss Eliab Osifo and his family. Eliab was married to me for years. Okay, now since these years he has been around, he has always blackmailed us. I have said this on my platform many times. He has always blackmailed us to the extent I told him, please bring it all out. We want to see it. Because to me personally, I believe he's just lying. All right, he's just lying to collect money, to collect money, to collect money. But otherwise, as he brought himself back to Nigeria, he has been exposing. We have seen a lot of audio conversation. We have seen a lot of conversation he recorded from while communicating with other people like Onyema and co. But he has never posted a picture or a video where we all are doing one thing or the other, like my nakedness, like where he shit blood, like where he claimed Michelle is smoking Igbo. I actually asked Eliab to post the video where Michelle is smoking Igbo. Okay? He said he has a video where Michelle is smoking Igbo. Now, I would like to know, because I haven't seen it, I would like to see it. I would like the blackmailing to be over once and for all, because this is what I came on my platform earlier to tell you guys, that this man that calls himself my husband has been blackmailing us. You know, when you blackmail someone, you are requesting something in return. Oh, I have something against you. If you don't give me money, I will post it. Yeah, I have something. If you don't give me money, if you don't do as I say, I will expose you. So it gets to an extent that I say to him, please expose us. Bring it out. Unfortunately, he brought out Valerie. Guys, I'm going to post it. I'm going to put it here. Now, this is a picture Eliab posted where he claimed Valerie is smoking. What type of smoke is this that have so much, is it hair, they call it smoke? What type of cigarettes? Be specific. Is this Igbo, or what is exactly this that Valerie was smoking? And in here, Valerie, if it is Valerie, she looked so young, like 13 or 14. But this is just a picture and not a video. How now can we know if this is real or not real? Because I haven't seen this thing. And this place doesn't look like my house, guys. This place doesn't look like my house. Did Eliab go to bar with Valerie? Guys, I would like to know, and I'm sure you are curious as well. We all would like to know, did you take Valerie to bar and gave her something to smoke and videoed her at the same time? Valerie is not at home now. I would have asked. I don't want to disturb her with it, because Nelly Go just posted this and somebody sent it to me, and definitely Eliab forwarded it to them because he has been blackmailing us. We would like to know a man we called our father, a man we were living with, dining with. Where did he get this video from? This is nothing like my house. And Valerie looked very young here, if she is. We are not seeing the hand smoke. We are not seeing any smoke. Could this be edited? Somebody edited it and just put a smoke, because this is very, very possible. For the people who know how to CapCut, you know that it's very, very possible to edit something like this. Eliab, we want more of it. We want a video where Valerie is moving and smoking and, you know, taking it. We want to see the video. And we also want to see the video where Michelle was smoking Igbo, because Igbo is very, very easy to identify, guys. Cigarette is very easy to identify. When you see cigarette, you know it's cigarette. When you see Igbo, you know it's Igbo, because of the difference. Eliab, we want more. Eliab Osifo, daddy of KO family, is already posting videos and pictures, and we can't wait to see more. This man has been our enemy for a very long time. He has been our enemy for a very long time. If you look at this picture, Valerie looks so young. I don't even know if it is old picture. Maybe it was when she was in the orphanage or when she was actually in Vienna. Because here she looked 13. She looked 13. Maybe 14. Here, I don't think she looked 15. Where did you get this video, Eliab? Or where did you get the picture? Because this is a picture now, this is not a video. You know how to CapCut. Please, kindly ask him to post the full video. I want to see the full video, please. There is nothing to hide anymore. I want to know much about my children because I am not aware of this. I want to know much about my children that I never knew before. I want to know more about myself. Everything you have, Eliab Osifo, please share it out. He came into our life to destroy. He came into our life to monitor. He came into our lives to gather. This is a man who is praising his own children and destroying others. You edited this. I dare you to bring out the video of Michelle smoking Igbo. I dare you to bring out the video, not edited CapCut like this. Bring out the video. If you not bring out the whole video and everything you have to, you have been using to blackmail us. And don't forget to bring the video where you recorded the children in their bathroom. Don't forget. We are waiting. Guys, share this out. This is a father, a stepfather to my children. What he has been doing and what he's still doing. Let's clap for Eliab Osifo. He's doing well. Devil incarnate is exposing himself. Do more. We are expecting. It's not yet over. And I will continue to remind you. I'm not going to let you go this time. Thank you all so much. Kindly share this video. Love is a beautiful thing, guys. Don't get it twisted. Bye-bye.